Well, after like, I don't even know how long, a long freaking time, that's what we got so far. So this side is ready for primer. I just need to get primer. And I still need to take that door handle out, and I'll drop the front and rear bumper. Yeah. So it took quite a long time. I imagine I'll spray from that body line up. I'll prime it, because down below it's texture coat, so I'll just leave that alone. And there weren't any dents down there, so that's nice. There are on the other side though, so that sucks. So we'll do like 3 coats of some filler primer, and hopefully that'll be enough to make it pretty straight. And I picked up this hood because that white one's got a huge kink in it. So yeah, and that's the story for today. So see ya.